Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, then tap on settings. And here in settings, under the account section, we find username. If we tap on this, then here we can just enter our preferred username that we want to use on the app. And then when we are done with setting our username, let's say I want to have username like, I don't know, yeah, whatever. You can just type in your username and then tap OK, and it's going to save it. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.